Today, before we start our presentations, I want to talk to you about the three parts of a lever that we've been talking about. Okay, listen up quickly so this can go quickly and we can proceed. The three parts of a lever. Okay, all right. Go ahead and forward it this way. You've got this is the picture we keep drawing of a lever. Is that correct? Is that correct? Okay. This is the picture we keep drawing of a lever. I'm going to show you something right here. This right here, we call it the load. Is that correct? Right? And this is where you do your where you do your force, where you do your effort. Everybody say effort. Effort. Okay, so this is the force, correct? And another word for force I want you to be able to recognize is effort. So you've got, listen to me, you've got two arms to a lever. Okay, you've got, you know how you've got two arms? Okay, you've got arm number one and arm number two. Does it matter the order? No. I just want you to know you have how many arms? Two arms. One arm is the effort arm, the force arm. That's where you put all your weight to pick up something. Right here is your resistance arm. Can everybody see that? How many arms do you have on a lever? Two. Where you put your weight is called the effort arm. Where you have your load that you're trying to pick up is called the resistance arm. And what is this middle part called? Fulcrum. Three parts to a lever. Yes? Yeah. Three parts to a lever. Okay. Go ahead and I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you how neat this is so that you have an idea. Okay. We need a fulcrum. We need a fulcrum to create a lever. In this case, just communicate with him, please. In this case, I'm going to use this pencil. Can everybody see? I think you're going to enjoy this. You're going to learn so much. Watch. I'm going to use this pencil, Dylan, to create a fulcrum. Okay? Obviously, the ruler is my lever. Correct? Okay. I'm going to put it, a ruler is 12 inches, so I'm going to put it in the middle, just like a seesaw. Okay? Right here. I'm going to put it smack in the middle, and this is going to be my force or my load. Load. My load or my force? Which one is it? Load. So which arm is this where the load is on? Resistance arm. Okay, so that means that if this is the resistance arm, what arm is this going to be? Effort or force? Force arm. This is where I'm going to, okay. My goal with this activity is such. I have prepared a sandwich bag, and I've cut a little hole here, and I've taped it so it doesn't tear and tear and tear. And I'm going to put this bag, does everybody see? Can everybody see? Okay, I'm going to put it at 11 inches. Okay? Actually, I'm going to start it off at 10. Does everybody see how I have it at 10? Yes? Yes? Okay. My goal with this lever, Gerardo, is that I pick up the load with this weight. Okay? I want to show you something. I want you to count with me, okay? Remember, it's at 10. It's at 10, okay? And we're going to try to keep it at 10. We're going to move it to where it stays at 10. Are you ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Is it even moving? 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, there it goes, right? 39. Okay, do you see how it's suspended in the air? Let's try 40. Let's see what 40 does. Oh. Do you see that? Yeah. Do you see? It's balanced. Does everybody see how it's balanced? Okay. Where is the fulcrum on the ruler? In the middle. In the middle. Where is the middle? Tell me in inches. Where is it?
12 inches. 6 inches.
It's on 6 inches. No. 6 inches. Those are centimeters. 6 inches, correct? Yeah. So it took 40 marbles to pick up a load, okay, with the fulcrum in the middle. Do you see that? Now, let me show you something. What do you think? I want you to answer this before we do it. what do you think would happen if I took this 40 marble weight? I'm not sure how much it weighs, but it's 40 marbles, right? And I put it at 11.
It's gonna fall.
Why do you say it's going to fall if you haven't seen it yet?
Because there's more force now on that one.
Do you think it matters where I put the force on the lever?
Yes.
Now, what do you think? What if I move it to 7?
It's
gonna be harder.
Why not?
Because
It's too close.
It's close to the fulcrum, right here. What do you think if I move it to 8?
Too
How
close.
about 9? Is this still too close?
Really not.
How about 10? Well, we just did 10. Now, what do you think happens over here? What do you think happens if we move this closer to that? This closer to that. Do you need more weight to bring it down? Watch this. How many more marbles do you think I'd have to, if I move it to 7, does everybody see how I moved to 7? How many more marbles do you think it would take
20.
to bring it down?
About 20.
Let's try it. Right, we have 40, right?
Yeah, we had 6.
Okay. 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66. It's not working. Why is it not working?
It's too close.
Talk to me, ask me, or actually, what about the force? Can you tell me? It's too close to the
Fulcrum.
Remember what we taught. Remember what we taught last week. You want to move something that's heavy. Okay, this is heavy, right? Apparently, this is heavy in comparison to a more. This is heavier. You want to move something that's really heavy. Where does the fulcrum have to be? Close to the weight, to the force, or close to the load? Right here. Where do I put the fulcrum? Close to the force or close to the load? Close to the load. Okay, all right, okay. So let's actually take this. We're gonna move the load close to the fulcrum. Are you ready? I'm gonna put it at 4. What's happening? This is too what? All right, so let's do this. Let's do this. Let's try it out. I think this is the part where you're going to enjoy. So we're gonna put it at 4. Is there a reason why it's not tilting over? There's no what? There's no force. There's no force. There's no effort. We're gonna try it. What was our first trial? Was it 40 marbles?
Yes.
Okay. Now that the fulcrum is close to the load, just like here. Now that the fulcrum is close to the load, how many marbles do you think it'll take to bring it down? 10.
5.
Why are your numbers less than 40?
Because it got farther away from the.
Say that again? Okay, let's try it. How many marbles? What do you think? 20? All right, we still have it. We gotta keep it in the same spot. Did we say 10 or 11? 10. Okay. Remember, it's at 4 now. Okay? 2, 4, 6, 8. Do you see that?
Yes.
Oh.
8. So it's probably 9.
Yeah.
9. Let's put it at 10. Hold on.
It's between 9 and 10.
Ah,
There we
you
go.
see how it's balanced? What do you think happened? Why do I use 9 now and I had to use 40 with the other trial? Why do you think?
The fulcrum.
Okay, so where do I have to use less effort?
That's why.
When the fulcrum is close to the effort or close to the load?
Load.
Close to the load. Now, do you think it matters where I put the effort? On over here? Do you think it matters? Over here. Look at this. Do you think it matters, Kayleen, if I put the effort right there? Or if I put it right there? Or if I put it right there? Do you think it matters? Or as long as I just put effort? It matters? Let's see if it matters. Let's see if you are correct. Does it matter if I put this at 11? Let's see. Let's try it. Now, it was at 10, right? Now let's put it at 11. Let's see. Okay. How many marbles did it take at 10? 9. Okay, what do you think it's gonna take at 11? Why are your numbers going down?
Because it's far. It's getting higher. Fulcrum.
It's getting what?
The force is more back.
Let's see. 2, 4. That's at 11, right? 5, 6,
10.
7.
8.
Do you see that? What did you just learn right now? The further your force is, the further the distance it is. Didn't we learn that last week? The further the distance is between the force and the fulcrum, the less you're going to have to do. Yes? Let's try it at 12. What is your prediction for 12?
6. Flip over.
Okay. Well, let's not have it flip over. What do you think? Right at 12. What do you think? How many? What did we use? 7?
6.
7? Now it's what?
5.
1.
Math one.
1, 2,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6,
6.
7.
7.
7.
Uh-uh. It's too much. So it's 6.
Yeah.
I was right.
Now, what have you
I was
learned
right,
with this activity? Does it matter where you put the force?
Yes.
Does it matter? Now, does it matter where the fulcrum is?
Yes.
Yes.
Matter
Very
to
good.
everything.
Very good. Excellent. Go back to your desk. Press stop.